There are two main ways to enable light mode in the DoorDash Dasher app. You can change it directly in the app settings or adjust your device's system-wide theme settings. The first method is through the app's built-in settings. On iOS devices, open the Dasher app, tap your profile icon, navigate to Settings, then look for Appearance or Theme options, and select Light Mode. On Android devices, the process is similar. Launch the app, access the menu or Profile section, go to Settings or Preferences, find Theme or Display settings, and choose Light Theme or Disable Dark Theme. The second method is to change your device's system-wide theme settings. On iOS, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and select Light Mode. This will affect all apps that follow system settings. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Display, and toggle off the dark theme option. You can also schedule when dark theme is active if you prefer automatic switching. Keep in mind that the Dasher app typically follows your device's system theme settings automatically. However, if you set a specific theme within the app settings, it will override the system preference and use your manual selection instead. Light mode offers several key advantages for delivery drivers, especially during daytime hours. Understanding these benefits can help you make the best choice for your driving experience. Light mode features light backgrounds with dark text, which is traditionally preferred for daytime use and better readability in bright environments. When using delivery apps like DoorDash, clear visibility of maps, addresses, and customer information is crucial for efficient deliveries. According to driver feedback, approximately 60% of Dasher app users prefer light mode during daytime hours, citing better map visibility and easier text reading in sunlight. Color contrast is crucial for readability and safety. Light mode typically provides better contrast ratios, making text and interface elements easier to distinguish quickly while driving. While dark mode is popular for reducing eye strain in low light conditions and saving battery on OLED screens, light mode offers distinct advantages for daytime driving scenarios. Each mode has its strengths. Light mode excels in bright conditions with better visibility and contrast, while dark mode is preferred for nighttime use and battery conservation. UI and UX experts recommend that delivery apps prioritize readability and quick information access. While battery consumption varies between display types, the primary focus should be on safety and usability. For delivery drivers working during daytime hours, light mode offers the best combination of visibility, readability, and safety, making it the practical choice for professional use.